So camera is an iPhone XR. That's the microphone. We're about 2 feet away from the Jeep right here. This is a 1995 Jeep XJ. The muffler is a Flowmaster Super 44, and it's 29 degrees, and we are going to be doing a Jeep cold start, Jeep XJ 1995 Flowmaster Super 44, and it's 29 degrees and snowing. Also, I haven't started the car. It's been over 24 hours. So, here it is, 29 degrees, 29 degrees. There it is. Rest of the car. We'll do some revs, and then I am getting out of here because it is cold. And there is that.